Hello everyone, welcome back to our Soaring community, and this is Daily Vocab. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the difference between two words, affect and affect. They are quite similar, especially in spelling, and even native English speakers can get confused between them sometimes. The main difference between them, apart from the spelling, is that affect is a verb and effects is a noun. Okay, we use the verb affect when we want to talk about something or somebody that makes a change or reaction in a certain person, place, or thing. And we use the noun effect to talk about the change or reaction itself. Now, let's have a look at these examples. The bad weather we've have been having recently is really affecting our business. Our sales have gone down. The bad weather we've been having recently is really having a bad effect on our business. Our sales have gone down. As my example, so both of these words can be used to indicate negative and positive reactions. Please note that we use the verb have with effect and it is followed by the preposition on.